Welcome to another tech tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to remove the background from a video using CapCut on your PC. It's a simple process that can make your videos look more professional. Stay tuned to learn how to do it step by step. So let's start the video. First, open an existing project or create a new one. Then add the video you want to work with. Select the video in timeline and go to the top right corner. Click on video. Then select Cutout from the options. Enable Auto Cutout by checking the box. The background will be removed automatically. Now, if you want to add a different background, import a video or picture into your project. Drag it into the timeline below your main video. Then, drag the video with the removed background on top of the new background. Finally, play it to see the effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.